Well, guys, this is Sunday morning. I put this together yesterday evening and used the copper sealer junk all around that the joints, and put that together with that. This is really temporary. This should have been welded, but I don't have a welder. Of course, this makes me wonder if this ain't a good excuse to pick up one of them flux welders from Harbor Freight. But yeah, maybe. But it's just for testing it. I want to see if got this thing sealed up and that engine is in good shape, and then I'll go from there about new clutch and whatnot. But anyway, this it's all put together, so hopefully I wouldn't expect this right here to last. It may, I don't know, but it is kind of rigged up. I mean, it's a 2-inch inside, 2-inch outside diameter coupler, putting those two pipes together, and then those clamps, clamping everything together, as opposed to using the U clamps. But actually they work very well, but these were not the right ones. You can see how they're bent here. All right, you can buy these that already bent like that and made for this. These, I forced that in there by just tightening them down. So I mean, it's very strong, it's sturdy, it probably holds just fine. You can see where the joints are, one here and there's one there. But like I said, these are not the ideal clamps for this, because they make these that are special, made. They're the right size on each end. They're split in the middle. I used those on my 98 or 88 when I put the exhaust on it, and they work beautifully. Went over joints where you put together. I love them, but these, you can't buy them in the auto parts store. You can only get the straight ones. You can't get the bent ones. You can order them, but I wanted this fixed because I wanted to crank this engine. So this should work for that purpose anyway, and then down the road I'll take it apart and weld it. I may buy one of those welders before too long. I don't know. I'll probably have use for it if I get it. The old station wagon way back there still needs its engine put in, but I think I might be able to put the whole entire exhaust system off the RS into it, since it's having the same gas tank from the RS and all. That's another project for on down the road, but it's little by little things are getting done. But oh well, so I'm gonna crank this thing after a while. I gotta run to the store.